My Accent Mentor 1.3.
Speak the English the world understands.
Word ending AL in rapid speech. Are you able to spot what the following words have in common? Final, dental, criminal, mental, crystal, decimal, principal, formal, metal, fatal, global, musical, corporal, journal, several, digital, naval, total, choral, viral. They all end in AL. Always drop the A in AL when pronouncing words ending AL and say the letter before the A in L. Listen carefully to how we drop the A's in words ending AL in the following sentences and say them correctly. Also, take notice of how words connect when we speak. This is the final part of my dental checkup. The criminals took us through a mental torture. Go to Crystal. She understands decimal sum. The principal has a formal meeting with a regal at the state capitol. The metal seats caused a fatal accident at the school gate. My school qualified for the global musical competition. Did you read about corporal punishment in the school journal? There are several digital portals in school campuses. The naval officer went for a total herbal treatment. The choral song has gone viral.
Speak the English the world understands.